Amazon Prime Day 2026 is serving up more than just tech. This year's kitchen and smart home deals are some of the best we've seen. From pro-grade cookware sets and smart ovens to powerful blenders, coffee makers, and cordless vacuums, the discounts are deep and the upgrades are real. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or cooling, these Prime Day picks deliver premium performance at prices that finally make sense. Let's dive into the hottest deals you can grab today. Ninja FrostVault 65-quart wheeled cooler was $349.99, now $279.99. A separate dry storage FrostVault drawer means no more soggy sandwiches buried under melting ice. Premium insulation, puncture-resistant all-terrain wheels, lockable lid, and 65-quart capacity make this the cooler camping trips have been waiting for. You save $70, 20% off. Chill everything, ruin nothing. Ninja DCT 451 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven was $429.99, now $249.99. Two independent cooking zones let you air fry chicken while baking brownies. No flavor mixing, no waiting, no juggling. Smart Finish syncs both sides to finish at the same time. 12 functions, a leave-in thermometer, and family-size capacity. You save $180, 42% off. Double the oven, zero the stress. CAROTE 21-piece nonstick cookware set was $189.99, now $119.99. Frying pans, saucepans, stock pots, a steamer, utensils, and pan protectors, one box handles the whole kitchen. Granite non-stick coating releases food effortlessly, and the induction-compatible bases work on any stove. You save $70, 37% off. A complete cooking arsenal for less than a single fancy pan. Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 was $109.99, now $79.99. 1,200 watts of total crushing power chews through ice, frozen fruit, and whole vegetables without hesitation. The 72-ounce pitcher handles family-sized batches in one go, and the dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup is someone else's problem. You save $30, 37% off. Better coffee, better mornings, better deal. Nespresso Vertuo Next Premium Coffee Maker with Arrowcino was $259.95, now $155. One-touch brewing in 4 cup sizes with a 25-second heat-up that beats any coffee shop line. The included Arrowcino froths hot or cold milk in seconds, so lattes and iced drinks happen on your timeline, not theirs. You save $94, exactly half off. Cafe quality, home convenience, unbeatable price. Keurig K-Supreme Single-Serve Coffee Maker was $189.99, now $99.99. Multi-stream technology pulls more flavor from every pod, while 4 brew sizes and a strong mode let you dial in your perfect cup. The 66-ounce removable reservoir and travel mug clearance make busy mornings far less chaotic. You save $63, 33% off. Better coffee, better mornings, better deal. KnifeSaga 15-piece kitchen knife block set was $199.99, now $113.95. Chef, bread, santoku, slicing, paring, utility knives, steak knives, shears, sharpening steel, and an acacia wood block, the complete kitchen arsenal. High-carbon stainless blades, full-tang construction, and ergonomic handles that actually reduce hand fatigue. You save $76, 35% off. Cut everything better starting tonight. KRUPS Coffee Maker 10 cups was $59.99, now $41, 32% off. Prime Day deal. With 900 watts of brewing power, a drip-free stainless steel pot, and dishwasher-safe design, it's built for convenience and durability. The large capacity keeps the whole household fueled, while the sleek black and silver finish fits any kitchen. Amazon's choice for a reason. This coffee maker delivers reliable flavor and hassle-free cleanup at a price you'll love. Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer was $149.99, now $89.99, 40% off Prime Day deal. With Turbo Fry Pro technology, it hits 450 degrees Fahrenheit for fast and even cooking across 6 functions: air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, keep warm, and more. The 8-quart ceramic basket is PFAS-free and dishwasher-safe, while the built-in viewing window lets you watch food crisp to perfection. Amazon's choice for a reason: big capacity, powerful results, and a deal worth grabbing. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer was $149.99, now $69.99, 53% off Prime Day deal. With 6 functions: air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, and reheat, it's a true kitchen multitasker. The stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe basket make cleanup effortless, while thousands of reviews back its reliability. As the #1 bestseller in air fryers, this Prime Day steal delivers crispy, golden results without the mess and the price tag. 8. LEVOIT LVAC 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum was $199.99, now $129.99. Up to 50 minutes of runtime with tangle-resistant roller tech that doesn't choke on pet hair. 5-stage filtration, washable parts, and easy empty bin and crevice and pet tool attachments mean every surface gets a proper clean. You save $70, 35% off. Powerful suction, cordless freedom, 0 excuses. LEVOIT Core 300P Air Purifier was $99.99, now $80. 3-in-1 HEPA filtration captures dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and odors in spaces up to 1,073 square feet, while 24B sleep mode keeps nights blissfully quiet. Sleek, compact, and timer-ready for allergy sufferers and light sleepers alike. You save $19, 19% off. Cleaner air, quieter nights. Bissell CrossWave Turbo Wet Dry Vacuum Mop was $199.99, now $129.99. It vacuums and mops at the exact same time, so your floor cleaning routine gets cut in half. 2-tank tech keeps clean water separate from dirty water, and the antimicrobial filter keeps things fresh between sessions. You save $70, 35% off. Half the effort, the same spotless result. Shark TurboBlade Bladeless Tower Fan was $249.99, now $199.99. No blades means no worries, just 180-degree oscillation, vertical and horizontal pivoting, 10 speed settings, and whisper-quiet airflow that fills an entire room. Remote control and adjustable height round out a fan that cleans as easily as it cools. You save $50, 20% off. Smarter air, safer design. Roborock Saros 10R was $1,599.99, now $884.99. Meet the Roborock Saros 10R, the ultra-slim robot vacuum and mop built for total home cleaning. With 22,000 PA suction, flexi-arm riser technology, and zero tangling design, it tackles carpets, corners, and edges effortlessly. Self-emptying with hot air drying keeps maintenance minimal, while its 3.14-inch profile slides under furniture with ease. Smarter, powerful, and Amazon's choice, this is the Prime Day upgrade your floors have been waiting for. Upgrade your home security with the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Regular price $179.99, now $99.99. 44% off Prime Day deal. Featuring Retina 2K wide-angle video with up to 6 times enhanced zoom, it delivers crystal-clear views of your doorstep day or night. Night vision, quick-release battery pack, and easy installation make it practical, while Amazon's choice reliability ensures peace of mind. Smart, sleek, and deeply discounted, this is the Prime Day doorbell upgrade worth grabbing. That's the full lineup of Prime Day kitchen and smart home deals. Links are in the description, so grab them before the savings vanish. If this roundup helped you score a better kitchen setup or smarter home gear, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you the biggest Prime Day steals and everyday discounts so you never miss a chance to upgrade for less. Cook smarter, live cleaner, and enjoy Prime Day savings while they last.